Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to swap the X and Y axis of a graph in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you realize your data would make more sense displayed the other way around, and it's a quick fix that can completely transform how your chart communicates information. First, head over to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From here, click on the spreadsheet that contains the graph you want to modify. This will open up your sheet with all your data and visualizations ready to edit. Now take a look at your graph. You'll notice that the current setup might not be presenting your data in the most effective way, which is exactly why we're here to swap those axes around. To get started with the editing process, click directly on the chart itself. This will highlight it and bring up some additional options. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the chart. These dots represent the menu button that gives you access to various chart options. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Chart. This action opens up the chart editor panel on the right side of your screen, which is where all the magic happens. On the right side panel, make sure you're on the Setup tab. This tab is crucial because it contains all the structural elements of your chart, including the axis configurations we need to adjust. You'll see sections labeled X-axis and series, where series essentially refers to your Y-axis data. Now here's where we actually perform the swap. First, click on the content field under X-axis. In my example, it shows E1:E6, which represents the current range of data being used for the X-axis. We're going to change this to D1:D6. Simply clear the existing range and type in the new one, or use the range selector if you prefer clicking and dragging. After you've updated the X-axis, move down to the series section. Click on the content field there and you'll see it currently displays D1:D6 in my example. Now we're going to reverse what we just did by changing this to E1:E6. This completes the swap, effectively switching the roles of your two data sets. And that's it, you've successfully swapped the X and Y axis of your graph. Your chart will automatically update to reflect these changes, giving you a fresh perspective on your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.